Welcome to your design adventures. Get my copy of my book here, Design Adventures, which takes you through the design web, which is a organic, non-linear framework that is based on permaculture design and cultural emergence tools to support you to design your well-being, for your groups, for culture of effectiveness, for creating events, for creating land-based designs as well, all sorts of possibilities for you to create your own designs to support your life, support your well-being, support your group work, your business, anything you can design with it. It's been used by thousands of people around the globe, and you can hear stories from them within here as well. So get your copy of Design Adventures, and when you get it from me, you do get it signed inside as well. So that's only from me you can get them signed. So do go ahead and order your copy now and get stuck in. Activate your inner designer, and you will really find it so beneficial for your life. So please go ahead, get your copy.